How painful is derma rolling? So a couple of things to keep in mind. First, these are needles. And second, we do have some customers who say it can be a very painful process, but most say it's not bad at all. It really just depends on you. So if you're someone that can't deal with needles, then maybe derma rolling isn't for you, but you will be missing out. Of those customers who are more sensitive to pain, many of them would be the first to admit that derma rolling seems to be working for them. If you're worried about pain, then we recommend you use a numbing cream before derma rolling. Any numbing cream will do, just choose one with lidocaine as its active ingredient. If you're not sure which to use, then look below this video at the recommended products section. We've included our top 3 choices there. Depending on the numbing cream you're using, you may need to leave it on for 40 to 60 minutes before it takes effect. Afterwards, wash it thoroughly. Some side effects. You may be wondering what side effects are there, and most importantly, how can you treat and avoid them? One side effect is pink or red skin. When derma rolling, you will notice immediately redness spreading across the treated area of your skin. This is by far the most common reaction, and it's quite normal. Afterwards, your skin will become quite sensitive and may remain so for hours or even into the following day. It's nothing to worry about. Actually, it means you did a great job derma rolling. It means that the layers beneath the skin have simply been spurred into action. Another side effect is acne-like bumps. Believe it or not, this may also be proof that the derma rolling is working for you. Much like the redness, beneath the skin there's a lot of impurities just sitting there, and to be fully cleansed, the body starts to push them out to the surface. However, caution should be taken at this sign. It could be the result of a few things that could have been avoided. Here are a few of those things. 1, it may be because your hands or the area you treated was not completely clean before, during, or after your derma rolling session. 2, you may have touched your treated skin with unclean hands or objects. 3, it may also be due to prematurely applying makeup or even sunscreen right after. Scratches. If deep scratches are showing up and stick around for over a week, then something was off in your derma rolling session. One of a few things could have occurred. 1, the roller head may have a needle that is bent or out of place. 2, you may be using too much pressure so that your derma roller is not gliding but it's dragging. And 3, maybe you're not lifting your derma roller before changing rolling directions. A rash. This has only rarely happened with a few of our customers. Upon further investigation, it was diagnosed as an allergic reaction either to the creams applied or other environmental factors. Please remember that the skin is more exposed after going through a derma rolling session. Just be cautious about what ingredients you're using in your creams and serums, and you'll be fine. If a serious reaction occurs, then please seek medical attention immediately. Bleeding. Small drops of blood may appear during your session. Now, you shouldn't use so much pressure that you start bleeding. However, it's not unheard of. So typically, it isn't something to worry about. Should bleeding occur, simply prepare a clean cotton ball soaked in rubbing alcohol and gently dab it on those bleeding areas. If not drops, but more profuse bleeding occurs, then put pressure on the wound with a clean towel. Elevate the area as much as permitted. If bleeding continues, then please seek medical attention immediately. While to our knowledge, we have never had such a thing happen with any of our customers, it is, however, the responsibility of any person using any of our derma roller products to do so with the utmost care. Pure Skin is not responsible for any of the misuse of our products. As a reminder, if you have blood clotting problems, then you should consult your physician or dermatologist before using your derma roller.